If you use Google Calendar every day, there's a really handy feature you may not have noticed yet, and that's Google Keep right inside your calendar. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to access Keep inside Google Calendar in just a few seconds. This is a simple trick, but it can save you time if you want to take notes, save ideas, or keep track of reminders while you're planning your schedule. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once your calendar loads, look at the right side of the screen. You'll see a vertical side panel with a few Google tools. On that right side panel, click the Keep icon. This is the small Google Keep shortcut that gives you instant access to your notes without leaving Calendar. As soon as you click it, Keep will load in the side panel. You can now view your notes, create new ones, or quickly reference anything you've already saved while staying inside your calendar view. This is especially useful if you're planning meetings, organizing tasks, or writing down ideas while checking your schedule. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to access Keep inside Google Calendar using the right side panel. It only takes a moment once you know where to look, and it can make your workflow a lot smoother. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick tech tip.